Hey girl, hey girl, Why this make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though?
Baby, like, do you see this length? Do you see the style? Do you see me? Hey guys, it's your girl Rebecca, Becky Ade. Welcome to my channel. So I know it's been a while, guys. I am truly sorry. Like, honestly, I wish I had an excuse, but I kind of do though. I did move into a new apartment. I am in my new apartment and I love it. I'm actually filming a luxury apartment tour or like luxury apartment move-in vlog kind of thing, whatever, if that makes sense. It's in the midst and it's coming. Okay. But yeah, so that's coming. So I will show you guys. I'll talk more in depth and, like, you know, mine was gone, whatever the case may be in that video. We're just gonna stick to the hair in this one. Okay, so we're just gonna get straight into it. This wig is actually from where's my today's video is on this wig that I got from Outre. It is actually a sold out wig. I'm sorry guys, I'm hoping that you already have this wig. That's why you're actually watching this video, because it's sold out everywhere. I mean, maybe you can find it on Amazon or eBay or something like that. I hope you can, because this wig is bomb. But anyway, this is Outre's Sleek Lay Lace Front Part Wig Collection. Yeah, and this is in the style Delilah on a stock card. So I'm gonna let you guys see how I got it to this point, in case you do have it, or if you plan on getting it, or it's coming in the mail, how you could do it. So I'm wearing, I know this is like a side note, this is my first time actually trying this and I love it so much. It's the Marc Jacobs Daisy. All so intense, and I have the little sample size, of course. See, I like it, so we're gonna get that again. I'm gonna get the big bottle. All right, so if you want to watch, you want to see how I got to the point, you watch it. All right, so here's how the inside of the wig looks. Nothing done to it. Pretty good. Woo woo. All right, so I'm also going to show you guys the red one. I did get the red one as well. Red velvet. I love it. It's cute. It's not this bright in person. Actually, a lot more darker. So this is the first time I actually used the lace tint, and I'm in love. Look at me. I was like, what? Perfect. Anyway, so we're using alcohol to remove the makeup off my head. Then we're going to do 2 layers of Got To Be, blow drying in between. Same old, same routine, nothing different. And then yeah, I'm going to put it on and then remove the excess glue that's on my forehead with some alcohol, and then we'll go about taking out the baby hairs and then using that little stretchy band. I forgot what it's called, the stretchy band, to like lay it flatter and then take it off. And then I'm going to use some Eco Styler gel, edge control, and then, you know, lay the edges. And then I'm going to use a strip to set it for like a couple of minutes, nothing too long. Take it off, comb it through to make it look as natural as possible. And then we're going to go, you know, go ahead and add some foundation just at the beginning, because, you know, the lace tint did do the job for the part, but, you know, we just want to blend it as much as possible. All right, so what I think about this wig, I think this wig is really bomb. Nice wig. It's really pretty. As far as looks, it looks really good. The texture of this wig is yucky. It's more of on the yucky side. Literally, I will say this wig is a human hairdo. What you think? And the lace, is it blendable? Yes, very much blendable. Y'all see this? The pros and cons. I'm going to start with my cons. The con to this wig is the fact that there's no lace. Like, it's lace, but it's very small. You can't really do too much with it around the sides. It's like right where the wefts start. So it's like you can't really, like, you know, pluck. If you wanted to pluck it, you couldn't pluck it. If you did, you kind of probably mess up the wig. So that's the only con I have for it. But as far as pros, I love the girl. I love the style. This, I mean, y'all see this? So fire. Look at her. I love the style of this wig. It's very cute. I don't want to mess up my style, but very cute. Very cute. This is so cute. I love it. And that's the pros. I love it, and I love how long it is. Based on what they're saying, it's 30. It's called Delilah 34. So it's 34 inches, which is, if you know me, you are OG, you know I love long hair. Like, long hair is my preference. Long, I love it. Does it tangle? I don't know, because I'm not running my hands through this. Okay, if you want to, you could. It's probably going to get bigger, in my opinion. I think the way I'm looking at it, it's probably going to get bigger. I think it'll get bigger. What else? Does it shed? No. This is actually my second time wearing it. The first time I wore it on Christmas to my family house, and, well, my family friend's house, and it was It was good. You know what I'm saying? It made sense. It made sense. It made a lot of sense. I can't tell you it's shedding, but it didn't shed when I wore it out. And it's not shedding now. No, it's not shedding now. So I would say it doesn't shed. Is it every day? Hell no. Look, baby. If you want to wear something like this every day, you could, you know, it's for whoever want to do that. But me personally, I wouldn't wear this hair like this every day. I think it's more of a wig you wear when you want to, like, shine. You know what I'm saying? You want to shine. Like, you want to, like, show stop. You know what I'm saying? Stop the show when you step in type shit. Because this wig is one of them. We love this hair. It's really, really cute. I love it on me. Is it big head friendly? I would say it's big head friendly because my head is just really big. The price. So I got this wig from Sam's Beauty. And I got it for a total of, I really hope it's still there. Why would they not continue this wig? You know what I'm saying? Like, this wig is very cute. Like, everyone likes it. So I don't know why they would not bring it back. But I got it for a total of $42.99 from Sam's Beauty. For this. And yeah, I think I'm good. I really hope this video didn't seem rushed. I do have somewhere to go, so you know what I'm saying, you guys gotta work with me. I will be back. I will be posting more videos. I do have a lot more time on my hands to post more videos, and I'm actually trying to organize my life in this new 2022 to make sure like everything is like done correctly. I really am trying to organize myself, and hopefully it'll work better, and I'll be back on YouTube as consistent as I was before. And yeah, and all of you that are still watching my videos, I really truly appreciate you. I thank you very much. I think that's all I got for you guys today. Honestly, I don't think I have anything else to say. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'll see you in my next one.